titira ebedi kasebulu makotiri bia ne sem yede ba kopie mom ewa tifido mantemnim ne kuro ba kwa dia daso eye gbanyere ne sa kuro yi ayere pa sese edidi tia pepe mentem ho ase asoro ho ba na nsem kese ni papi na na ewu a osofo pon ba kwa be kase kire mu se sese mpodie omba batutu nsoro fi so obi ampo ntumi nya kwanya na watumi akwa asore akosom twede ampon nyankopon
Yemboremu ewa Santimantema na Sofolen eye interchange no moye no Department of Urban Roads ewa Santimantema de nsema betuja echem so mu tum se ne ebe yo hawe wo ho no betimi asi ano kwan
Sasra make se na so ba mo ne ho moden ehwe o man Ghana ekwan so kose dwumade so me National Road Safety Authority mpedifo echirem so mo sere assemblies no ma matontonton mmea bia ye kwantempon ne finfin dia ma manipa bi ede ba mo nyama ho dawuro mo nyimfiri ho de mante so ra mo chemu a maso ba ye pa e wo mayim
GH schools alanche 24-hour academic system mo hwe so betimi atre nsan dwuma ho nimde mu e wo mayimu
ensam no pina ka ho na ye de beso mo se agye mensam kasebo e wo DL ha ene ensia chiripo enkron kasafidie so na ye ka mo se yankopon ya adoma kwesi de ebei no ye mame ye nsesa na de nyina da Mavis nana ama inhyira mensa dodo abonam na ne se civil lady na woda ene birthday kese pa checheche ni senti enam se ye mame dwene Ghana fo ho nti no ne birthday no oni ne kwa oto ne nsa dia fra Ghana fo nya se yankopon da me na ebei ne nyina yenko hye mam ewa Royal Duck Pharmaceuticals fo empenifo akache ne momade nkwa hoya pomu demo titire efa ye hunam dua ene bio yesen ne ye mo ye homade ne ye moe ne ye pomu den enkon kan yumade beba so ewa yakopɔ da me na ebai September bos me na toso ensia enfimpi mienu ne adonu mu ne yumade be kwa so forecourt Royal Dutch Pharmaceuticals anim ho mam na mpenifo kirem se location ne ya dabraka eno na eban Franco Trading Enterprise edan ne na ne bo ho a yumade ne be se ase anopa nonson ne anopa nonson ne ya hye ase ene obeta mu se akopem se enumre ne ya pon na mpenifo se yankan bo de ahye ne so se wo ba wo nkwa wo madabi fo adamfo ene wabusu nyina bra bi na wonim da wo nyonko behia mwa wo mu chirim se baba kwa baba nyina fi se ba wo beni mo fra nyina ka ho nti mesre wada fo mo fa ne ka ho pa na bra na yankopon be hira wo yi pa we ye nyo kapre kapre kra ye nyo bra na bedwetwe wo se kama na afi so honam dua na ye wene sense kwetira honam no ye mwa na honam no nye so sese bi sadin Silver Lady ono na ye brand ambassador Edema Royal Dutch Pharmaceuticals and afi so ono aso Silver Foundation ka ho na DLFM adwumakuyi etai echeti bra ne hwe wa pomudi mu wo se no honam dua ne mo ho ban fama wate
Insu papa abe adwaman so bia to aguso a otobi eye Lumba super enuntine make full Lumba super de ama obi biara bomode ama wonsa enka bi se ne be ya odwumedi a wudi na no betimi e de asomwa hoho na mpenifo persenkani onim tricycle ene ki atwinti ye shenkani afre mpenifo e wo 0555 274 757 ana 0577 475 343 Okodan sumane ne important madam Abanyamiche so distributor wo honom or adjacent Lumba spot ya Pietus Lane Freno 0557 349 401 Mama Vic Franco Sportem oben washing bay no Freno 0500 680 783 Bra Kwame da command circle station oben Adom Choba no Freno 0244 094 793 Madam Edith Kusi Dowenyo Opsi Central University friend 0246 601 004 Anna 0266 400 215 0266 400 215
Saso na yakamo ewie say yam papa dad Lumba chitafo pi wo magana mu ne amonone ya in fact emu de pasa no manam ne kuo no emu ba ko de da wo no so no DL College Association kuo no in fact emu de pam ne mpenifo se ye nkan kire wa wie se ekwewe ne ye kuo bi a omododo mo ho papa ade ato wani a omukogya bibia besi ho no omukogya opa keka omo sase de boawa in fact ekwewe ne ye papa nfa ho be hyem bi ne mpenifo bi mu prom de ato no mo ba bia wo bia no mpenifo ne kuo no bi wa monone ena bi so mayi mu a dwumadie bi a wudie bia no do ho bedo ma mbeta wachi ma ne ma konkan te mesrew DLFM College Association kuwi no manyi hu fanfire mu kura wo tan papa dwumadie nyina chi ni station a ye kasa wo so na afin so na nyamoto nyina chi ne kru ne ta chire ye pa different prefo ahomatrofo so na gye mu enkyere mu 0538 865 393 0538 865 393 yɛsɛ yɛ ho mmara ne sɛ yɛmfa ɔdɔ nti brɛ na nyina da yɛmfa ɔdɔ ɛmfa mmɔtom akenkafoɔ yɛse nkonnwa bɛsom awie dɔ ɛdi a mɛgye soɔ ɛyɛ wowɔ fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
yɛnya atena si deɛ yɛda yɛ ho aba yɛba akasɛbɔ no yɛde mu nkyerɛ mu nyina da ɛbɛsom mo
DL News.
Adia, and you'll be adia. Rose gold, ne. It's ye deal, Cassia bomb. ASA kutu, ASA bibam.
Yamamo Akwaba. Efi tu mirikande shia ye, ewa Facebook nuswa. Na ye DL ha, eninsia. Chiripo Enquires, Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bankasa, Enfa ensomum. Yensha Kasiabona sene yemfa free etifedo mantemnum. Nankra efree etifedo mantenum. Ekuro baako a edi anda so eye gbenyili na se akuro we no in fact nansen ehwo no mayere pasa benta na akuro we no ewo sola tuna caliber mensenim ewo tifede bantanum na de hye pina beboro pempem eno mpa baabi adwane e de omutire di afa efiri se mentemo ase asode ma awudie bi kwaso ni pra bi ni ajapade ahodo esese do enya semkuma kram na nka ne kiremu a sabasabasa ye hyase ewo sanabusum etwa mu imu ewa fempem mienu ne de nundum ne statement aba bonten ekiremu a ahoba mmoko egusu abadwumade aboa ma metemo ase ahodo asore ewa gbanyere kuro mu no adwobro etimi aba no sofo pomba ko a owo kuro mu ne den ade Reverend Father Martin eye Kosanagiri wakasa ekiremu se ona ye Paris eye priest de ma Holy Trinity asore no wosola no wo kiremu a yanka nkira Ghana fo se pempen wasini pei manso ekwaso okuro mu na nagudie ekwaso no ensare no aha ompapa pefri se ne ene kwase de mokwa asore mu a onipa bia nsi wo sabe kutirempo amaso no obisa se aden na kakakra nkra mo ba asore na mabeto collection na jasofo nya bi de abo mo ho bra na mama okiremu a asore ya ayabese be ha mo yepam osafo kiremu se yanka ncha Ghana de hye se de kofa mentemo ase ba ne nyina ne se eye ohene papa no ene wabonyini kunu mo ho mbaden etimi koton oma na asase e de koma private developer bi so mfanya adwuma ne no ena de hye mo mpotem kyerem se na ye nchede obiala wo ye ohene a enti wo ne hwan se yen yankase ya asase watumi koton agiska de agubotom de ne yampere kura na kwaje ta ena nyasem kuma ena ye kanse sabi ensobo akasebo apetepete me ho ena nanti we sode ye na ahemfo enso sode pi ena ye pinten we ya ma ba so no nyankutiri mo pantim no da honom ena no senti obi abaabi adwane afa akoye nsem pi na ho no ma edi kan nipa makoma enum ene afoforo nse ne prepraye enum so hwere wode mo kwa na meka se de nipa makoma ko odune ne mo na mo nyina hwere wo kwa afoforo pi na prepra no nipa odi kan ho de si ye no e de mo nkyere mu de e ma de ye ka se bo kyere mi se in fact de si ye na mu hu pa de den e de jima Joseph I didn't say to the Cassie.
We saw people running helter-skelter because of the fight that erupted at Nhyiraba. So
DLFM 106.9.
Fortunately, where I reside is closer to the police station. I saw women and children just lying down on the floor crying. It was an eyesore. I couldn't take it anymore, so I also went off the scene. It was very pathetic yesterday at the police station when I saw women and children carrying their babies. Others were crying. I can't even see it. There were no men. All the men fled, leaving their wives and children. And that's one thing that touched my heart that I pray should never happen. So we all believe that we should have peace in Punjaland and also in the entire Ghana.
Me wa fa say the day Edijima Joseph and wo kire mu say e kuro mu ho no no memma nyina da ne ma memma ne nyina America tente pa enu ma ne ho mere so no wo kompu a onhwe na yira kira kwan emofra so hwe papa na so maame ene obi ababi ni tirafa emakru ne adane amanfo a ayensem pina ne no enna Reverend Father Martin kire mu se de aduro no ombatuto mo nsoro no mafise wo kwa so de mo pa kotire mpo si wonom na sofo no bi mpo adwane a munim babi o makwa hye sese firi se obi adwane agende kranka se de esi ye wo Sodom and Gomorrah ni pepepe na mekese no esi ewo bunyiri kura eno no ewo tuna sora Caliber mentioning what if the man team or the same say to the Cassie Winning.
I am Apostle Moses, Dr. Moses, and second job. I've been here for the past 3 days when I heard about this sudden situation here in this part of our country. And since I came, I've visited some few villages. But today is really appalling. All the villages I visited, I realized that almost everybody has fled from the villages. And the impact of this conflict is so huge that churches are almost closed down. And there's no single soul that has even planned to go to church because of what has happened.
DLFM 106.9
on people. And more especially, they've all fled. And so churches are completely empty. Today being Sunday, you cannot find a single soul coming to church to worship the Lord. So the conflict has actually made negative impact on the lives of the people who are Christians here and churches in this land. In fact, as a matter of fact, half of my pastors have fled away. All my pastors around this area, they have fled. The one in Soleil is gone. The one in Tuna is gone. And those ones at Calabas, all of them have left. Some of them have come to the southern part there, and some of them have also gone to the upper west region.
I saw for no Krajania, I saw about the Uti or day. Or so for no corner and Copa fan so I do one Nejani. Because a jadaho now church member the out saw them who day. And here would hear Reverend Father Martin Koso Najiri or no year Paris priest said in my Holy Trinity Church, ewo Sora and a watin in fact a one of my pa auntie a positive gusu jeban etoban your best renajo bromra because who pa the moment yankuanim.
Yanto akase abone suniembo nremu ewa santimantema na Department of Urban Roads and no santimantemu eden sama betuja HM say yesofo lane interchange na ekoso wo honom no de etimi kwa ekosi patas na yade a omatuma se de omobo modin ahwesensie ebetimi akoso na ye Mr Francis Kofi Yankee na ye acting resident engineer a ono na ehwe yesofo lane interchange ye project ne so no ede atuja HM say ye kwan na etimi faso ade kofa eye santase runabout no ede ba yesofo lane na ye terminal honum nyina no ade ayemre ye papa into omo pese omo nsi ohawa ebeba no ne kwan ti no kirema ade omo 15 days sane ebe yo betimi abomodin atimi aya kwan no ede ama o mesa asese hye ne faso a obekọ na kwan ne woso saa sane akomasi ni so no omo anhwe ya na chese akoda ne ohaw kese ede aba ayetimemfo ne so into omo tumu sane ebe ya accident ahodo na kwanhye ebesisi wo onom no entimi nsi no batimi asiesie project ni ye kwan no ede ama ayetimemfo omo so no omo faso ede kodi omudwumodin sem say ede tuja.
And perhaps last week Wednesday, today, they issued pressure to the various media houses in Kumasi. It's a portion of the Sufula interchange able close to traffic. And 3rd September 2025. Now, the entire able close to traffic. They said ramp na ufi hanuma what they call sometimes on about any patasi. Some mafasuna say I'm also faswa uti uti say day spashing joint no and then I did this na ye tumna yes sa joint na ho atochi makakra no nti roughly no yes me say actually so 15 days in the tumwa by 15 days time the betting area na ye be to traffic I say tum keke ye tumi area be ye provide alternative routes motorists and all the road users in ebe use akobe bi ompesomoko so ompesoko Santa Swan about and Patasia it provided alternative routes. So say you close the entire interchange to traffic that as a ramp na lead to Santa Swan about and Patasia the Hong Kong you closing the traffic na repair defect.
Enwachi ana Mr Yankee edi tudwa na oche mu say yo ha kese bi nso ewo hon mesansa akrofo ebomodin awiawia lights anso na CCTV cameras ana cables omudi djuma wo honom no eyade akrofo ebomodin awiawia no so ha adwinye pa na emomodi atudwa HM say campaign no ebomodin ahese cables ahodro omawia ni na no ometimi edi bi ahyehye honom so na ebeya bibia nso beyeye ede ama wo
so for like underpasses no ni nyina aka ejuma na lightning na nyina yejuma prepope ne hu se lightning nyina echo off including interchange and so nti start say me hwehwe mu wie no you say cables na connect and I serve underpasses in Akromfo area. Nti the area say a very structured contractor because now Queen's Castle on the whole underpasses and interchange. It may pull cables it market share as a bedaiso. Project is Castle to 2 year officially no contractor no instruction. Na all the cables for ashi na etimi aboa na lightning na underpasses na nina ko ofuno including the interchange nina assign ababa na aboa ama improve security and safety within and around the underpass and the interchange.
Ene ya uti ye Mr. Francis Kofi Yankee on acting resident engineer at the Masterful Line interchange project no.
Yanto akase bono so de nyina mu won kran pompone matenum na meke se ye kwan a asoye no hwe o my Ghana ekwan so kose dwumadie so mekire National Road Safety Authority mpanyfo de kokobo de ama mensene anasa assemblies ne se mo sere won mada permit ana tumi awodo made ma amanfo mode billboards ahoto ekosisi ekwan ne mfimfin bo se yi kwan ya ne ya kwan mfimfin na to honom na bia kwan ha ye mienu ahanso ye mienu na mfimfin ne da honom na assemblies yi atumi akoton de ma amanfo se bomfa mo ne man kotisi ho na mo hu dawuro wo mode ade woni de kiremu wo make say graphic mpotem ho no mu dia nyasem kuma ene advert pa free graphics akositire aden assembly de na mo kiem wa mu kirem se yenka nkira mo se wono ma hwase exercise de afiri aya waso west municipality nim o mo hwase na no brade atwam no mu kirem se yenka nkira assemblies ni nyina se wo biara wonim na beton wa kwan finfin ho no ba bia eye portion da ho no mo no na wo de ma obi de bo na ma ho dawuro na wa mount billboard akese na ka atwam a yehunanim bibi kosi obi po atwam a yehunanim na ka akọbọ no kwa na widi akoso o kirem assemblies na bisem se mo no moja na mo pe anase kakra mo bedi nti enimpa nkwa ho hia mo biewa na assemblies yan kan kirem se mamamode na mantie pa na man nisu amaso be ye papa na acting director general edema a National Road Safety Authority no Abraham Amaleba kirem se yan kan kira Ghana de hire nyane assemblies fo ne se mamamode na munyi firi honom se man nyai pa no mo so mu pa ti a maso be ye pa o kirem a mo bia nso amunim na mo de mo ne ma ko sisi kun mo betutu ne nyina to agu kwa ma ba ko kura so betu ne nyina to agu se be bo na ho ba monsem afa ya kwante poso no etimi ayedwodo de semse etun sentrefo anim
ayawa so west ya wo jowul sisi a o hwe a ye yi billboards na ewo mfimfini enkwan no mfimfini na o hwe a senior billboards no ewo kwan no mu no emma drivers na omo nam street so etimi hu yie eno no so ede accidents ba and also say the beautification of the road and then start here nano ye wo islegon honum no nti me catch advertisers nyina say baby a omo etasi omo billboards no ene mra no entwa apart from that no say oko Jessica Emma assembly na omo ji usika eno enchire say o wakwan say o de your friends billboard no ebe si finfin hono ye hwe safety on the road nti assembly na akasa so omo signboard ewo mfinfin ha ye be yue tetwene because ye adwuma no enye say ye Jessica adwuma no is to protect the citizens ekwanhia eba de bia part of it is this nti me catch assemblies for say move forward say omo say ye yi han nyina no say ba na ehun say omo di bibia ase a ye be siu assembly for no because omo na omo makwan na omo yes aju the next one and say ye ni advertisers association akasa ya meeting into the next one no ebe ye from our center to Adenta into sa ejuma no ye ni advertisers association and a Ghana Highways Authority ye be carbon na ya ye sa ejuma no I am determined say I will clear the roads of billboards that serve as an obstruction to advertisers near everyone say ya trauma assemblies nyina say omo catch those businesses to remove those billboards na enyesa say ye ba na yi billboard na who say charge businesses no by am say assembly for no antro amma omo businesses omo edi asia no so ye de emfa ho ye nim those businesses we don't know them the people we know is the assembly who have allowed them to put it here we would remove them na those businesses no omonko assembly ho no enkoje omusika
na ho asamanyen we acting director general edema National Road Safety Oto Lutri ne den ede Abraham Amaleba ena wo kyerem se wonnim no wakwa asamre honom ede wo niam akogisi kwan finfin se wo ya advert honom akokogye wo sika free se kombetu atu atwene na wontumi so nyom foku e wo manyim
Yantua kasebone so na eye GA schools alanche 24-hour academic system omohwe mu so betimi atrensa no dwuma hu nimdie mu ewo man mu esan say school pon me ya admission omunya no pressure de esewani ensasa mekacho na ya rector edema GA schools eye Leslie Adolisto echema ya de school na nkasa no oye omo wo department ahodo omo wo fashion department omo no omo pempam ade san so na akọ eye catering department na be nua na any event ahodo dwumadi a eno so omudi ewo honom san so ana oba eye cosmetology eba makeup nails facials ne adi na pedicure ne manicure ni na omuye bi ewo honom eba eye journalism and media arts so eno so wo san so na journalism and media studies eba television and film production ana multimedia eye production so a ni na ewo honom a me ametianom kra manya afaso ewo mo so san se ho ana me so me koye ekwaji minim de na last semester ye school for mo ba ye san kombeji admission 254 Nemom emu 158 ana mutimi fa omo mo hwe anim say eye 96 na aka na ebetimi akoba bi foforo etimi akonya akwenya ewo honom so no etimi asua ade na ye Mr. Listo edituja HM say ye GA schools eye commission for technical and vocational education and training for accredit wom sanso na mo hwe anim say ye higher national diplomas ye programs ne so no o metimi anya accreditation ede amano esan say next semester no eba no de 24-hour ye academic system no ebe ye adwuma ye papa esan se enkane no na commercial disuasi eye 8 am ekosi 12 pm eye anopa no na ka awia so start 1 pm e de akosi 5 pm na se ne de omode ahomachi nyina aba beka ho a 4 am ekosi 8 am no so no ombetimi aba no aba besua de se ne anumre so de no omode free 6 pm e de akodu eye 10 pm no so beboa se ne be ye school for adults wo honom na ye 24-hour economy no eno so ne betimi aboa wom no chema ahoban bo ho sam so betimi akoso ye wo honom pa esan so mo ne Achimota police command for akabo mu anomu di dwuma no nto mo de barrier eba betu school na nim honom ahwe se eye patriotin be ye 9 de mo so beba abeboa se ne be ye ahoban bo ho sam ebetimi akoso wa bre ye 24-hour academic system yi ekoso ewo GA school so den sam say editudwa.
So this board initiative is because first of all we want to resolve our internal problems. So our internal problems is that because of the good things we do here, we normally have overflows. So for example, last semester we have to end admissions and we had almost about 96 to 98 students who could not get admissions, and we realized that we can resolve these issues when we hop onto the 24-hour initiative that the government has for us. Hence, getting the 24-hour TVET education on today, and today is been officially launched. Now, the second issue is that the learners are ready, but we don't have space for them. So we think this will open the institution up to more learners. Now, the third thing is that there are people in industry who are rising, but they don't have qualification. This is an opportunity where they can get the requisite qualification because we are fully accredited by the CTVET, the Council for Technical, Vocational and Education. So it's CTVET that will do the certification. So this is an opportunity for them to get something in terms of certification. Then the fourth thing is that we have people everywhere who would like to add a skill or so. So we've had several people in different professions. They want to add a skill to whatever they have. Therefore, this is an opportunity. This is an opportunity for everyone to acquire skills. This is an opportunity for everyone to get educated. So we are opening the doors of education. Education is no more sleeping. Education is now 24-hour, especially here in GH school. So let me start with the facilitators. I'm not sure there will be pressure on facilitators because there are industry practitioners. Yes, there are industry practitioners who would like to even teach, and we have several of them. So they can also teach, so they go do whatever they are supposed to do. So we have industry practitioners.
Eye rector at the GA school say the celebrity rector Mr. Leslie Adolisto ana wotin in Kano.
We are nyina we so e na yake ka ma dwen cha ma de beso me wie ne bi na yemfa embamo we efri me wa fa se eye Vinsa Bex and wo chiremu a good afternoon DLFM. My name is Hajia, watching you live from Kaswa Medaze Agyei ya means that opi said ne waje mre na waka ye ho awie yi Samson na master planner junior kentampo na wase no policy analysis pa na waye pa na ochire mu 24 hour economy na Ghana man peni kan ho asem na wase den o say chief justice asem mo de me ngofa asifo wi I mean jampo na me komani ma na me di mo che menya asem sweet Elizabeth ene obeye dampa o say good afternoon crew members. In fact, the news is tasty too much. I love it. Or say, wave from Sweet Betty or the Lebanon is on 4. And or they buy sweet in a minimum sweetie, dear, and Asika. I guess it will be a sweet head.
Papa.
And a sweet over damper. Piaga, Jim said 24 hour economy, no. I be oh, Sana, who know, Mate. Or that time, I see NDC 24 hour economy, no. And it's also a fall flat. And what if we message we have in Pesame can you comfort my teen was say good afternoon wafa Sammy B. And Adjoa Agyei Sikapa no see fat cause more the my back to back ni more the sound of manam. Now take us more decoration ye no chim so din check as ma DLFM Enquires association crew members ni nyina mate good afternoon Sammy B. Any Adjoa Agyei Sikapa so da ya sene dwumaden ye bonya minchira ye pino here live e different atomic hotel dan soman we ye Hansen diodu me wafa se diodu nie me da se pa se wo so wadwane live na Ghana for kasebon ye de si ye koma kwa me afum Oboraman and na fi me wafa se Bismarck edusei omu producer ne be ye eyi Bema Ansroja unsura tuduro champion man Kofitela be ye omu producer ne DJ Omalion de no wo kopeduane adi because wasigra me se koma ekuni fie ha no ya ma ne kwan yankwa ho betwa hwe because you be a peduane pa enti ye kwa ene Ghana Blasters ye ne child for match ewiando ba kwi ya ne de hyehyɛ so nti DLFM kofala ba ye ma back to back live commentary de afiri ono nti ene makete vire nko so na Ghana fo ne ne abre pese ye pese ye kɔ Canada Mexico na afi America ekopa adwuma ye nti no ye bɔ mpa ye se Ghana Blasters for no qualify nti o mani abre pa beta akire sika ene match na be kɔ sei
oh ye hwɛ nim se Ghana fo betimi ahye ne won say aya na gidie ni de entan fa hye Ghana fo mu ba ye bomode ani endi di ansa
wutie watenyu we da
Body roll. Oh yeah.
DLFM 106.9. DLFM 106.9.
Oh yeah. Blasters, yeah. Ghana Blasters, yeah. Oh yeah. Blasters, yeah. Ghana Blasters, yeah.
sika nyumu we me bi atwem na ye nwumu ene wo bo obi akura mpokura mfa na ni kura mewewe masa first ne pa gesi actually bo nwumu we gesi actually bo nwumu we taxi drivers in na mkruma na mo kan na chi nyina ye Ghana Blasters niam nko ananso ene ekosi sei minka ho asene yakase me wo fa menye ye kwa de obete ni
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
DL Power Sports. Adjoa Agyei DL Power Sports live commentary. Joe, crystal clear.
Dear kwa memlante na mabetena ase kasebon ye de semusebufo ne ya maze mebele twene se mo de ma yen DJ Zigibi echinchima frene from ahohom kwan so de som yen awiai Samson na Kofitela ansuro ja bema unsuro tuduru uborutu na wapete na boba ne nyina yiye fini widim na ni eden pam ode ekopia mo Facebook na afensi YouTube akasebon no wonya bi ehwe ye Samson na kenkanfo ye sinkonwa be soma ye hwene tia se ye entamu a enimle ye jigu mo de ma wo no edi amaje so ye wo fam takwade kwadwakrum twabe wo de hyekonkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ba hoteden ene Alhaji Abdul Twasuntedi hye mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa na kwadwansa ne ebeko no mamemfa birthday wish we entwemu we happy birthday kese kwama Samuel Bukron wo eye new abrem Ghana Fire Service we free Mr Nicholas Asante honom ano say happy birthday kese nkoma onyankopon enhira no mpagya no yin fra do mu kwa do mu bibi biara do nsabe so mu no enye enhira enfema nti Mr Samuel happy birthday kese we eko ediama wo new abrem Ghana Fire Service
tene ho asama ne ne dia la dwumadie no abeda na sport tikoso ana ne yentena ye kwekwa me afum edu say Bismarck and afi Oboraman ebetena se Kofitela yo mu producer ne DJ Omalion so mo la support no no kura ball no nto ne nanda o me the live commentary bro. Ghana Black Stars versus Chad. Yakramo.
Luck is everywhere for everyone. Luck is everywhere. We not fit do with that money. We not fit do with that money. Yeah. When we go find out, not in the gutter.